Okay, time for the F-5. I don't like these bumps they got in the runway. Oh, well, that's good.
China cleared.
You can see the afterburner good with this kind of light.
Gear up, flaps up. Time remaining 2 minutes.
These things are a riot.
So much fun. You can actually see the burner on this one now too. I have it set to look more scale, so.
Yeah, that's good. Mine, I guess maybe it's today. I thought mine is hard to see sometimes, but if you point it right at you.
Oh yeah, you'll see it. This was one that I decided to try out and see what it did.
Oh yeah, you made one for me.
Yeah.
For my F-5.
Was it like this too, or is it more? It's orange.
Mine is the. It's more orange.
Okay.
Yeah, that's got a good look to it. But the orange is a little more scale.
Yeah. The real ones don't really. They're kind of a whitish blue color.
Oh, you're right. That looks good. That's the one where I cracked the.
Time remaining 1 minute.
The.
Oh, the little adapter thing.
What do you call it? You know, the
Plastic
machine
part.
Plastic.
Yeah, yeah. It's a fun plane.
One thing I like about it too is you know which plane it flies like. I have an
30
electric.
seconds.
Oh, really?
Yet another plane which I rarely bring out, which is incredible. Every time I fly it, I'm like, why do I ever fly anything but this? And it's the most like that. Like you can do beautiful point rolls.
Oh, yeah.
It's just when it's going fast, it just goes straight.
Is it the BBM?
Nice.
9.
Yeah.
8.
That has
7,
nice edge. Yeah, I have an electric one.
5.
Nice.
4. 3. 2. 1. Time expired.
Ooh, that was a nice slide. Yeah, it's a new battery, so
Gear down.
I'll be nice.
Landing flaps.
That's one that I wish they'd make a new version of. Well, I mean they have.
Is that your old one that's all beat to
This
hell,
is
or
the old
this
ugly one, yeah.
But yeah.
But still flies great.
Yeah.
Just don't look at it up close.
That's true. They can get pretty beat up. The one I have, it got crushed by my toolbox.
Oh,
It was my
no.
Avanti. So I look at it, and it's like, oh, it's all bunched up, you know.